And are you Deborah Aguilar?
Yes.
Ms. Aguilar, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault? That is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in prison. There's a $500 fine. There's no application for deferred adjudication. The state recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration 2023 CR 3225. There's restitution to be payable to Angel Garza in Days Inn at 9401 IH 35 North, San Antonio, Texas 78233. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting a TAP evaluation, no contact with Angel Garza and Days Inn at 9401 IH 35 North. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence?
State offered states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 in attachments and review the same. I'll be record for a moment. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 in attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Okay, acceptance of responsibility, Your Honor. This is the first setting. She accepted responsibility. She's been in jail for 5 months, awaiting a court appearance. I guess what I can tell you is in a nutshell is that this incident is a result of jealousy. It involved her companion, who she thought was flirting with a male that happened to be in the motel room where the incident occurred. He understands what she did. He's ready to move on and ask the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages
10 and 3.
and where are they?
One I put up for adoption actually, and my 10-year-old's with my mom.
So even though your counsel is telling me this was out of jealousy, I don't understand how this translates to throwing a potted plant through a window at a hotel.
I reacted out of anger. I didn't. It was.
Do you have any drug issues?
I do drink. I could have drinking problems.
All right, is that all? You have an alcohol problem? What else?
Just alcohol.
Then why did was Child Protective Services involved with your children?
Well, my first one, yes, but
Why?
I was on heroin back then. I had been off of it for 9 years.
Okay. And who is this person that you're going to with the hotel with?
I was living in the hotel.
Okay. Why are you living in a hotel?
I was selling drugs.
I'm sorry.
I was selling drugs.
Okay. Well, I don't think your attorney wanted you to say that, but okay,
I told her to be honest with you, Judge. I know you appreciate honesty.
I do. All right, this is what we're going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison. I'm going to suspend it and probate it for 6 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. We're going to do a TAP evaluation in custody, and whatever the TAP evaluation recommends, that's what it's going to be. If the TAP evaluation recommends that there be no treatment, I'm going to want at least supportive outpatient treatment. Take in consideration 2023 CR 3225. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Restitution and no contact with Angel Garza and Days Inn. And that's just not the Days Inn on 9401. That's all Days Inn. So you're gonna have to find another hotel. You understand?
Yes, That's fine.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. The UA hotline until further notice, and that's going to be with weekly testing. How far did you go in school?
I did 8 months and I had 4 months left. Well, what do you mean?
No, school.
Oh.
Like, did you
I
graduate?
got my GED.
All right, what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I was going to school for phlebotomy.
For what?
Phlebotomy.
So they're letting you take blood at the hospital and have a drug issue?
I had it.
Well, I will tell you, anything that requires a license, they're going to check to see if you have a record. So I don't mean to crush anybody's hopes and dreams, but don't just be spending money and not realizing that there are certain professions that you're not going to be allowed to do. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits. What is that? One time per month until further notice. Probation. Is there anything else she needs? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot the community service hours. 180 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to ask for parenting classes with raindrops and rainbows. Once she completes that, then the community service hours will be deemed to be satisfied. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No,
All right, we can go off the record. To be successful on probation in this court requires communication. If there's an issue, talk to your probation officer. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. You understand?
yes,
You're going to have to start changing your life instead of just thinking somebody else is going to take care of your children. They're taking care of your children because you have fallen down on the job. You're going to have to do better. You understand?
yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Judge, I'm sure she'd like to know, I'll ask on her behalf, how quick the turnaround would be for the TAC evaluation.
Probation will be able to tell you that.
Morning.
Good morning. Are you all ready to proceed?
No, Judge. Judge,
There's
there's
a
an,
new case and there's nothing on it yet.
it's an ag robbery. It was about less than a month ago. It happened on the 14th of January. It's one thing of many things alleged, Judge, but obviously defense counsel doesn't have any access to any discovery, and I don't have any discovery on Bear Pick at this point.
All right, so how much time are you all asking for?
I would at least 30 days, to evaluate the ag robbery and at least get some discovery to defense counsel on that subject so that they can evaluate the case.
All right, Norma. Set this for the week of April 14th
That should be
for
fine,
a
Judge.
contested hearing. And if it's not contested, it's not contested.
Yes, ma'am, I'll do it on the 14th.
Thank you.
All right. Ms. Abrams, Aguilar is coming back on April 14th for a contested hearing.